So the easiest way to get OpenStreetMap data without using any software is by using this website called GeoFabric. So Google GeoFabric download or simply click on the link in the description below. It's this website. We'll click on it and we will be redirected to this website. This is where we are going to download our data. So if you scroll down, you can see that you have all the continents of our planet. You can choose any continent that you want. So let's go for example and choose Europe in this example. And we will get this page. So again, scroll down and you will get this tab where you have all the countries of Europe. By the way, you can download the data as a country scale by clicking on this link if you want file data or if you want OpenStreetMap format. So now imagine that you want specific data inside of your country. You can select any country that you want. I will go for example with France. I will click on it and this is the result. Again, scroll down and you can see that I have all the regions of France. You can download again the data of any region as a shape file, and this is what we are going to do. Let's go for example and download the data of Ile-de-France. I will download it as a shape file, so I will go here and I will click on this link. So when you click on your link, you will get this page and you need to specify where you want to save your data and then click on save. At the end of the download, you will get your data as a zip file. So click and right click, then click on extract here in order to unzip this data and get your file. So here we go. As you can see, we got our data in file format. Now we need the GIS software in order to read this data. So you can use ArcGIS or QGIS. In my case, I will go ahead and use ArcGIS Pro. After opening ArcGIS Pro, I will go ahead and click on Map and then click on Add Data. Then I will navigate to my work folder and I will go ahead and select all of my files. Then I will click on OK in order to import them. So here we go. At the end, you will get all of your data that are inside of your area of interest. This is the easiest way to get all of OpenStreetMap data as a file as a direct download. I hope that you got some useful information from this tutorial. If so, please like it and subscribe if you want to get more of this kind of tutorials.